Today is a glorious day, so we've decided to come out and test our newly installed Windy, our self-steering gear. I've got to say, and we're obviously no expert, but we're pretty damn impressed. The wheel, as you can see, is just moving very slightly as the wind vane itself reacts to the change in wind flow over the blade. The lines, you can see, it's literally 2 blocks in the corner, and then they come back to a couple of adjustable cleats all the way back. Apologies for the shaking here. All the way back to a couple of blocks here, and then down to the actual blade. Here's the actual wind vane, obviously reacting to the wind, which in turn is moving the blade in the water, which is pulling on the ropes, giving us the steerage. So, first outing, and we're bloody impressed. We added some extra varnish to this blade, so there's a possibility we need to add like a couple of extra washers on the bottom to counterbalance the weight. But that's about it at the moment. We'll refine the ropes so they're a bit simpler to connect and use, and carry on practicing. And the most important thing, we are saving electricity by not using our electric auto helm, which is what we set out to achieve. Well, we've been out here for about an hour and a half. We've done a tack now, and what we have noticed, and we've been able to correct, our solar panel, whilst we've been in the marina, we've had a slight angle. So the wind has obviously been hitting the underneath of the solar panel, coming down and deflecting the blade. So we've now made that horizontal, and now the blade in the main, in these conditions, is staying upright. You can see there's very little deflection now. Yeah, learning all the time.